The Tesla Model S battery pack almost caught fire. The temperature of one of the TV modules was 183 degrees. The temperature was too high, and it could not be charged. This must be a bad battery. Open the battery pack and repair it. Subtitle Volunteer Yang Qian Qian. This is the Model S No. 7 battery module. The battery temperature has not reached 180 degrees at all. We measured these two sets of popular tissues and both are around tank. The normal explanation is this BMS version is broken. Let's dismantle it and repair it. Measure the collection core surface. It's short-circuited. Remove the collection core surface and replace it with a new one. Put back the BMX purple board and put back the TV module. After the battery module is assembled, we read the battery pack data offline. The temperature of the No. 13 battery is 25 degrees, which is normal and can be loaded into the car. Subtitle Volunteer Li Zongqing. After the special motorcycle has been repaired, it can be charged and driven intelligently. After a dozen W injections, you think the subsidy fee is appropriate. Follow Brother Gnome to help you understand the electric car better.